What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about topics in the iOS world, jailbreaking. If you're looking to take full control of your iPhone or unlock a whole new level of customization, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use the Redensa jailbreak tool to safely and reliably jailbreak your iOS 18.3.2 device. Let's dive right in. Go to Safari browser and type in the search bar 18.3 to jailbreakpenguin.com. Tap Go button. Go to the first link on the page. Let the browser to load the page. Now scroll down the page and find the Redensa jailbreak. Once you tap the download button, you'll get a new page to get Penguin Pro. Get it into your iPhone. I will skip the installation part. Alright, now open the Penguin app and search for Redensa jailbreak. Select and tap download. Allow the profile download and get the app into your iPhone settings. Complete the installation process. You'll notice that two apps are installed on the device, iTerminal and the Redensa. Now, open Redensa. Here you can select what you want to install. Assume that you need to install a jailbreak tool. Select Install Apps, then tap on Jailbreak Solutions. Select the jailbreak tool you need, then copy the code, just tapping on it. Go back to the home screen, open the iTerminal. Enter the command install. Once you get the Enter App Code message, paste the code you copied. Allow the profile installation again. Install it on your device. Once you have installed the jailbreak tool, you can use it to get the package manager to customize the iDevice in your way. Just follow my steps. I have installed Cydia to package manager. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope this jailbreak tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to stay updated with more tech tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss any new videos. As always, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next one.